Hello students, 2.1 The Clotheslines Poem. Let me explain how to answer some textbook questions. See question number 2. Answer the following questions with reference to the poem. A. What is described in the poem? The answer is, the poetess describes the clothes on the clothesline swaying in the wind, waiting to be free. What are the clothes compared to? Give two examples. Here, the clothes are compared to white snow, rescue horses, fairy tale witches, a bird and a sail. You have to write at least two. 3. What do rescue horses do? Rescue horses are unable to remain still. They dance in a lively, playful manner and walk or move with high springy steps. What do fairy tale witches do? Fairy tale witches dance wildly in a very hard and violent manner. What did one of the fluttering creatures do? One of the fluttering creatures freed herself from the clutches of pegs. Pegs means what? Pointed pins. And soared high into the air like a bird. So means what? It flew high. Made it difficult for anyone to find her. What could have happened to the one who flew away? Who was she? The one who flew away happened to be the poetess' handkerchief. She could be hidden somewhere in a ditch or drowned in the sea. See question number 3. Form groups and discuss the following questions. Now discuss with your parents and listen my answers also. Why are clothes compared to living things? If you observe the movements of the clothes, they are similar to the living things. They caper, prance, dance, fly, etc. The answer is, the clothes are compared to living things as they feel they need to be free from any kind of bondage, just like living things. 2. The events described in the poem take place at a certain place, at a certain period of the year, under specific weather conditions. Describes the place, the time and the weather conditions. Answer is, the events described may be taking place in the backyard of a household during spring season. List the warm air in the afternoon makes the weather seem warmer than usual. Then see next question. When we say that two or more words rhyme, we mean that they end with the same sound or syllables. For example, ring, sing. Rhyming words are often used in a verse of or end of the poem lines. List the rhyming words from the poem. Note the words behind and win. They have similar spellings. That is, they look the same, but they are pronounced differently.